Here I have HTC U11 Life, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So firstly you should open Files application, something like this one. You can transfer like images, videos, audios, resends, downloads. So let's transfer some images like this one. So to select it, you just hold down your finger on it, tap on three dots, then select if you want to move this image or if you want to copy it. So let's copy. Then select where to, in our case to SD card, like to any folder you like. I can just paste it here. You just tap copy and now you have this image not only here but also on your SD card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.